Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Maldives tourist visa. So first, it's important to know that you don't need to apply for a visa before traveling. The Maldives gives a tourist visa on arrival, but you do not need to complete the traveler declaration form online before your trip. So to begin, go to the official Maldives immigration website and click on Submit IMUGA Declaration. So this is the form that you'll need to fill out. Enter your personal details like your name and passport information, then add your travel details, including your flight and accommodation in the Maldives. So make sure everything is correct. After that, review your information and submit the form. It's free and you should do this within 96 hours or 4 days before arrival. And when you arrive, present your declaration and passport at immigration. If everything is okay, your tourist visa will be given on the arrival. This helps make your entry faster and smoother. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.